हाय।
हाय, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन गुड, आप कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया, गुड टू सी यू।
सेम हियर। और प्रियंका इज देयर, परवीन सोनी इज देयर, सो मेनी ऑडियंसेस राइट नाउ ज्वाइनिंग.
Yeah, I can see that. I think they are still like one. Yeah, it's many people are joining right now.
So guys, I introduce Shruti. First, let's introduce. Miss Shruti did her graduation in fashion and apparel from SNDT University, Pune. Has started her career with Aditya Birla Group. Right now, she is working with Anita Dongre in Delhi. Work as a leader, trainer, mentor who is able to motivate and develop others, handle a store business, operations, CRM, and regional trainings. Personally, she is a very good person, good as a person or by heart. Thank you for joining, Miss Shruti.
Thank you, Avinash. So, guys, let's I think also introduce Avinash. So, my friend Avinash from Fashion and Apparel, and he has pursued his MBA from SMU. He has right now currently he's pursuing PhD and working as a assistant professor in KIIT University. Yeah. So
Yeah,
thank you, Avinash, for
yeah,
joining.
yeah, yes.
Ask.
We have some questions. Generally, everyone wants to ask, say, about the visual merchandising because
Yeah.
people from different background, Shruti, from they are from fashion design or textile design or
Yes.
leather design
Yes.
or so many other fields. We see the lots of people interested in visual
Visual
merchandising
merchandising as a career. Yeah.
as a career. Yes.
Yeah.
So, first question in my mind is, what are the job role of visual merchandiser, and their what are their importance in your life as a career?
See, so visual merchandising, first I would say it's a very important factor. So, Avinash, visual merchandising is like, I would say it's a practice done by retail industry and to, maximize their sales, to utilize their per square foot area, to, make a three-dimensional plan to maximize their sales, to utilize their square area of the store and all. So basically, this is also about more about how the product is displayed and all. So here, all these things is done by visual merchandiser, the most important person I would say of the store or of any retail industry. Because even I myself have worked in a store where everything was on the shoulder of visual merchandiser. Like it includes his job includes to be an observer. I mean, and he has to think through keeping his foot in the customer's shoe. He has to take care of the window display. He has to make the store look attractive. He has to make the window look attractive because that is what will drive the walk-in. And he has to make the store or any retail industry look and feel to generate the interest. So the color board, the mood, the landscape, and the color story, the freshness in the store, the fragrance in the store, if I have to say for that matter of fact, because that fragrance is also very important once you walk in. That also kind of
Yes.
develops the interest of the customer. And the first impression is created by a window display, which is very, very important. So all these things are the roles of visual merchandiser. Also, a very important role of a visual merchandiser would be say I would say is that he has to keep the team together because it's very easy to work on your own and do the things and do the visual merchandising. But if it is a big store, like imagine if it is a 11,000 square feet retail industry or a bigger mart, or I mean, and you have got a job there. So imagine the stress on the visual merchandiser. So he has to keep the team going. He has to teach the team along with him about the story, about the anything, like about all the VM activities. So I feel, and of course, these are the basic roles of visual merchandiser. And if
Yes.
you ask why it is important and what are the importance, so it is about visual merchandising itself boosts the walk-ins inside the store. It will generate faster turnover because remember, number of bills can only happen by number of walk-ins we are getting inside the store. So walk-ins can only come when people are the first impression is created by the window. Nobody would like to enter a store or a retail outlet which is not that is very important. Again, also like it is about average selling, increasing the average basket size of the products, because the way a cluster display makes a difference. Like maybe on a mannequin or a cluster display, we have used 5, 6 products, 10 products, including like perfume, belts, shoes, denim, t-shirts. So it gives a complete look to the customers. So that kind of things is always done by the visual merchandiser, and these are the things which makes leaves impression on the customer's mind. It gives a guidance to the customer that how he can dress himself and all that. So that will increase the basket size as well. So it is basically overall share of the company increases, I would say.
Yeah, it's a combined effort of all the people who are present in the
Right.
stores, and freshness is the main key. Everyone
Actually,
wants to look fresh and look different, and that's why we are using the forecast also for the store, so that we are confident about our looks.
yeah.
Now we'll move to the next question in my mind. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
VM is so important. So how can VM affect the customer and make their shopping easy at the current situation? Because the current situation is different, a little bit different from previous situation.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how VM can affect the customers?
So VM, I would say currently, of course, the situation is in none of our hands. It has gone just out of reach, I would say, because of this virus. But of course, everyone is hoping, and everyone, I feel the retail industry is also going to come back very strongly, because now, especially in this situation when stores open or the retail industry is open, it's going to be a big thing, and it's going to be a big role of a visual merchandising business or visual merchandisers, because now what is going to happen is, beforehand, with whatever tactics and we were using, and the thesis or the themes which we were using, we have to change that. We will not be able to stick to that, because now the customers would be more, I would say, careful and cautious to enter inside the store. And even thing is, it is going to be more digital. So it is very important that the store at any given point of time has to look new now, because after that all the customers are coming after 2 3 months of lockdown, like so of course,
Yes.
and imagine we have to understand their psychology now. So imagine them walking inside a store, and then it what kind of happiness they would be getting to shop now after 2 3 months from a store. Because honestly, of course, digital marketing is very much in, and online shopping is very much in the trend, but there will be still customers who want to visit the store and then see and try and buy the merchandise. So it is very important to keep the freshness alive. Now, as per the current situation, we have to little bit, we'll have to change the floor plan of the store, because the product will have to be more accessible to the customer coming to the store. And now things will happen like, maybe not all the customers would like to take a round to the entire store or visit the entire corner of the store. So we'll have to make a display or a window display or a cluster display in such a way that we cover our most sections, the sections merchandise at a place, so that we can then guide them. If a customer sees them, then we can guide them to that area. And we have
Yes.
to create a mood and color themes, very attractive color themes, and all these, I feel. So it's going to be a big change, and it's going to be a big role of a visual merchandiser now in the coming
Yes.
situation.
Yes. Yes, right, right. So many new people are joining, like Julie Singh, Khushbu is there, and so many loves they are sending.
Yeah.
So,
Hi, Khushbu.
so we'll move to the next question in my mind. You are a
Yeah.
visual merchandiser, you have lots of experience in this field. So you have a certain story or some a story with a different person as a experience. Yeah, you can share any real story as a visual merchandiser who help to
Yeah.
help us to understand better what is going on behind the skin, or something
Yeah.
like this.
So, Avinash, actually, so in my 10 years of retail experience, I would say there was a time where I was very closely working with one of my very good friend who was a head visual merchandiser. And I have seen, of course, we both were doing, I was the manager there, so we both were participating equally in all the stuffs and everything. So I can tell you, I mean, that person, he was solely and only responsible for each and every, even a fold inside the store. So he was responsible for each and everything. So I would say, and it is very, for them, it is a very different thing and very innovative thing, because they put their design and creative skills to, to make the store look beautiful. So like, as a designer, I mean, just an example. So like a designer who puts their entire thoughts, design and everything in a piece of paper, then cloth, and then they make a garment. Similarly
Yes.
it is for the visual merchandisers. So they have their skills and they put that, and then they play with the color stories. So for them it's very important, and they are very particular, to be very honest. They are very, very particular about everything. They don't want, I mean, everything has to be as per the guidelines and statement. So, all these things. And so my friend was also, and there, I mean, because all the time it was, sometimes it was a window installation, sometimes it was a new sale promotion or something which is going to happen, and we have to install it on inside the store. We have to create signages and all that stuff. So all these things are taken by them. So he used to at times have a sleepless nights. He used to come to the store, stay the entire night, stay back, don't go to home for 2 days, honestly, working like endless hours for endless hours. But the happiness which I used to see on his face when the entire store was ready and the installation that, I mean, I can see it's like a baby, smiling after seeing a very good work. It was a baby smile which he used to get on his face. So that's a
Yes,
very
yes.
important thing. So it was a great story. I mean, to be very honest, it was his life which I have monitored and seen very closely as a visual merchandiser, and I was really inspired by that, because it's a very creative and a different work. It is a very, very different work. I mean, once anyone enters into that, they are so much into it that they will also start doing their home decoration, thinking all the time. He used to decorate our pantries as well, and that was not a
Yeah.
part of his KRA, but still. So
Yeah,
they
yeah,
become
right.
obsessed with their thing. So it's very different. Their lives are very different.
It's like a, matlab, BM is like a baby for a visual merchandiser.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are all, we are also working as a fashion designer for ourselves. The sample is our baby kind of things,
yeah.
because every whole production is dependent on the or the our designs. So
Hmm.
visual merchandiser is as important as a baby for any retail business.
Right, right.
So
I think
Aditi is
Shakti is there.
joining.
Yeah. Hi,
Hi
hi.
Aditi.
She's
Mugdha is
joining.
there, Pooja Mishra is there, and so many new
Hi,
peoples.
hi, everyone.
Innocent Heart, people change their name. So real name is not there. So hi everyone. Now we'll move to the next question in my mind.
Hmm.
Visual merchandising is very important. We know it's so important as a baby. So
Hmm.
next point of view is visual merchandising. How visual merchandising impact on any business? Business पे इसका क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है?
See, I would tell you one thing, Avinash. Visual merchandising, as and what I understand from that is that it is the most important aspect of for any retail industry or business, because now what happens if we do marketing for like on social media, on Instagram, on phones, we send messages to the customer. We say the customer would come to the store, but the customer will come maybe inside that mall. Now to get him inside the store is here where the role starts, visual merchandising role
Yes.
starts, because when you start having a conversation with the customer, that is the second thing, because conversation with the customer can only happen when a customer will enter the store. So it's very, very important, and it adds a brand value, because how your store look and feel is, and how your, and that's the first impression which we leave as a brand on any customer, and it promotes our new trends, it promotes our business overall. So basically it is a very, very important aspect in in retail industry or in any business, I would say. And what happens if we follow all these visual merchandising thing very effectively and all these are done, then it brings more and more customers, as I mentioned, because maybe the customer, as I told you, can walk inside the mall, but if he finds, if he has to buy a t-shirt, it's not very obvious that he will come only to you or only inside our store. He can go to any other store as well, but it all depends how your look and feel of the store is through the window display. If your window display is attractive, if your store is looking attractive from outside, and lightning, color, fragrance, all these are one of the, I would say, parameters which are going to affect the store displays, because your store lighting is also a very very important part of it. And all these promotes to get the customers, to increase the brand value, to once the customer comes, we will increase the number of bills, we will increase the basket size, we will deal with more and more customers. Maybe that we can make those customers, they can become our loyal customers. They create, as I told you, it's the first impression which we create as a brand through visual merchandising in any customer's mind.
Yes, first impression is always the best impression.
Actually.
It's true. It's true for the visual merchandising, and visual merchandising is important. As अगर कोई स्टोर में आएगा नहीं तो हम लोग किसके लिए वहाँ पे बैठे हैं, मतलब इट्स ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन द पीपल्स कम
Right.
इनसाइड द स्टोर, और वो एक चीज ना खरीदे, इस एक से ज्यादा चीज कैसे खरीदे, और मोर स्पेंडिंग ऑफ मनी इज इम्पोर्टेंट। क्योंकि हम
Right.
लोग भी जाते हैं स्टोर में तो वे थॉट फॉर की वन टी शर्ट खरीदना है, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर जीन्स भी खरीद लेते हैं, और सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स विल लुक अराउंड अदर। इट्स ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन द विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजर और हाउ इट्स अट्रैक्ट्स आवर कॉन्शियसनेस और साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट
Right.
टू
Right.
लुक इनटू द मैटर, और हाउ पीपल्स, अगर अच्छा ना हो
No,
अगर
no,
विजुअल तो फिर हाँ इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू परचेज,
no,
क्योंकि
and that's very
पैसे
important. As I, yeah,
एज ए कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पैसे निकालना इज डिफिकल्ट, तो ये विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ब्रिंग आउट द मनी फ्रॉम कस्टमर पॉकेट।
pocket. And it is very important also, imagine even if we have to display sections like denims or clothes, even if you have to sell a t-shirt, it has to look attractive to a customer. It has to be displayed in a way, because if we are keeping the t-shirt thrown away on a table, it will look like a mess. Nobody will come and see that t-shirt also. So basically, that's
Yes.
what I feel. That's why window display in visual merchandising is also again very, very important. Before you enter, you create the impression.
Yeah. So it's a first impression is very important as a visual merchandising when we enter the store.
Right.
Uh,
Gyan has joined us. I think
Next,
I can see. Yeah.
Neetu is there, and so many people's name is up first, and Syan Misra is there,
Yeah.
Julie is there, Priyanka is there. So many people are stay
I am.
connected. We are come. If anyone have a question, they can put the questions on the
Yes,
comment
you can
box.
put the question.
Yeah. So now the situation of Corona is there everywhere. Lots of people are afraid of Corona. So how
Mm-hmm.
this pandemic will change the visual merchandising? क्योंकि because लोग बोलते हैं सब कुछ तो करेंगे लेकिन बिजनेस पहले तो अपना हेल्थ का ख्याल रखेंगे, दैट इज राइट। तो हाउ
Yeah.
दिस पेंडेमिक विल चेंज visual merchandising? Any change of views or something?
Yeah, so as I think, see, Avinash, right now, of course, the current situation is that nobody is stepping out of the house, and we are, of course, nobody is thinking right now of buying clothes and visiting a store or buying clothes, even for going outside to eat in a restaurant. So it is a huge gap, I would say, which is being created in last 2 3 months. But of course, I would tell you one thing, demand is going to come back. Retail industry is going to boost back very soon and very effectively, in a very strongly manner. And see, because online shopping and everything is right now in process, with digital marketing, digital shopping, and all these stuffs are very much. So now visual merchandising is as important as it was before, because even when you are doing an online shopping, you are sending pictures maybe to the customers, you're making videos. Now that the demand will come, that people or the customers may not want to come to the store, but they will be sending messages and asking the staff to share videos or pictures of the store and maybe any particular product. So once when you're sending those videos and display pictures and or I mean the pictures of the product, you're going to cover the display of the store. That will also leave an impact on the customer's mind. Beautifully, the way we will drape a product on a mannequin, the way maybe a customer would have just asked for a denim, but we have sent a picture of a mannequin having denim polo shirt, along with that a jacket, cap, what will go like the entire look. Maybe he will want everything. So that is how now we have to connect to the customer. So of course it is going to be little more effort which we are going to put and everything, but this is going to be a important thing which is going to happen in next coming, I would say, few months. And demand may come back. There will be opportunities which we will have to find the opportunities and work on that. So, and I'm sure that visual merchandising in that, as I mentioned before as well, after 3 months of lockdown, if the store is opening or the retail industries are opening, people will be, trust me, people would like to go and shop, and if they are allowed. And when they will go, they will have to get that freshness. They will have to get that look and feel. They would have to feel welcoming. And these all can only happen through visual merchandising. We have to look new. We have to look fresh, and we have to
Yes.
leave that impression in our customers' mind. So as as a brand, we will be leaving that impression in the customer's mind. So it's very, very important.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity also in the coming months, because the situation is different for everyone. So everyone
Right.
is looking for the new things,
For
or
the
they are coming out from holes. They feel fresh, and every the world is looking very differently. मतलब अभी जैसे
right,
हम लोग देख रहे थे, it's going
right.
to be looking very differently. People are behaving differently. And now coming time, I think FDI should be there, more benefited through the government, because lots
As-
of business in China is get affected, or bad impression of China is going through in the world. So I think lots of new businesses is coming to the India. So the growth is there, demand is there, and lots of
Yeah.
demand is.
Now we are even if you see the government is trying and planning to boycott everything, all the Chinese things and all. So we are going to produce all those raw materials or even the brands and the products which we were using of Chinese things. So we are going to produce it in India. So I'm sure it is going to provide job. It is going to open in a more wider version as a retail. So retail industry will boost back very strongly, I feel, after this uh, virus and everything. Like quite
Uh, and now
required.
we are using our product, so it's raw material from India. It's going to
Yeah,
be used now. Yeah,
it's good.
and
Like
now,
that. So,
yes, yes. Now I conclude some of these things like VM. जैसा आपने बताया उसके हिसाब से मुझे लगता है these are the things are is
yeah,
important. VM is very powerful tools to entire customer in making a purchase decision.
yeah,
VM is a art of presentation. It's a not a kind of कि subject आप सीख लेते हो. It's not a theory. It's a practical subject, and VM is a art of presentation which put the merchandise in focus.
yeah,
A store can improve its image and also build the brand that help in achieving the long-term goal for the retailer. It's
yeah.
also boosting up the sales and ultimately maximize the level of profit for retailers. So visual merchandising is very important. So we discuss this topic later on in next video. Maybe we are coming for some vital informations. Anything you want to share?
I think, as you mentioned correctly, even I feel, and especially for the people who are planning to make careers in visual merchandising and they want to understand exactly what it is. So go through, I would say, if you have any questions, you can always, right now also message on the comment section. And it is a vast, I would say, it is a diverse job or profile. It is a very
Yes.
huge profile, and it is a very, very important to aspect of retail industry. So it has a huge scope even in the coming years, I would say. Visual merchandising is it's a new thing in the market, I would say, because, of course, apart from the retail industry or any store layout or display and look and feel of the store, look and feel of the brand, everything is dependent on the visual merchandisers. So it's a very, very important role, and it's a big role. Some of the industry, some of the outlets, or some of the stores are, or brands are already using it, and they are using visual, and there the visual merchandisers are like, it's a big role. So you have a
Yeah.
huge scope in this career. Anyone who is looking to make a career in the visual merchandising.
And then I see the lots of improvement in the मतलब salary hike and all these things are very
Absolutely. People, I mean, it is, and there is just not one visual merchandising dizer nowadays in a brand or something. So they would be like, it is all region wise, store wise people working. So you might also have later on after a few years when you develop into this. So you might also have some people working under you. So this is like a huge thing which is right now in the market. It is just it's a different thing, and it's a very creative, and it will enhance your skills. It is very different role, I would say, and very interesting
yes,
as well.
interesting and growth is there. मतलब everyone wants their growth. Yeah.
Yeah.
One new people's join Madhuri. So till the time, stay safe, stay connected, and keep smiling.
So
Thank you, Shruti, for coming, and it's nice pleasure to meet you and talk to you.
thank you, Avinash. Thank you for joining me and calling me in this. Thanks. Take care. Stay safe, all of you. Stay safe, guys. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.